So good morning children, this is the second video of the story The Boy Who Broke the Bank. So in this story children, what we all have seen? We all have seen that one central character is there whose name is Nathu, and Nathu is a sweeper boy who used to clean the steps of the bank and the bank also. Then Seth Govindram is there who is the owner of the local bank. Then what we have seen that who is more there, Sita Ram is there who is the washerman, and then we have seen Mrs. Prakash is there and Mrs. Bhushan is there. And now we are going to continue our story, page number 2, paragraph number 14. So what did you say? Said Mr. Jugal Kishore, sitting up suddenly. So that time Jugal Kishore, what he is saying, who is present there? So Jugal Kishore is saying that what are you saying? Any person will become surprised children if the people will say that the bank is going to become bankrupt. So if any time the bank is becoming bankrupt, it is not a good news. It is not a good news. It is a bad news, okay? So finally I can say that who used to suffer? If the bank is becoming bankrupt, then finally who will suffer? Finally I can say that no doubt the employees of the bank will suffer, those who are working in the bank will suffer, and the peoples, those who have deposited the money in the bank, they will also suffer most. They will also suffer most. Okay. So he is becoming very much surprised and saying, what did you say? Mr. Jugal Kishore said, sitting up suddenly. Which bank? And he asked the question that which bank is going to become bankrupt? Why? Seth Govindram Bank, of course. And then he is informing that whose bank is going to become bankrupt. The name of the bank is Seth Govindram Bank. So Seth Govindram Bank is now going to become bankrupt, okay? Seth Govindram Bank is now going to become bankrupt, and this was a bad news for all the peoples, those who are present there, okay? So now we will see what is going to happen next. Why Seth Govindram Banks? Of course, I hear they have stopped paying their employees. No salary for over 3 months. And now here she is saying, Mrs. Bhushan, that I have heard that they are not giving the salary to their staff for how many days? For last 3 months they are not paying the salary to the staff, to the employees. Means the bank is not having the money. Means the bank is going to become bankrupt. Children, in the last class what we studied, that who used to declare in our country that a bank is functioning correct or wrong? RBI. In this story, who is declaring that the bank is functioning correct or not? Mrs. Bhushan. So that we have to understand. This is only called rumor. This is only called rumor. Whenever any false statement is spread, that is called rumor. So children, a rumor can never be true. Then one more time, everyone see what is written there. I hear they have stopped paying their employees. No salary for over 3 months. Don't tell me you have an account with them, Mr. Kishore. And finally she is saying that Mr. Kishore, Jugal Kishore name is there. So from the title also some people used to call the person. So Mr. Kishore, you don't say that you are having the account in that particular bank. Otherwise you will also face loss. No, but my neighbor has. He said, and he called out to the keeper of the barber shop next door. So he said that I am not having account in that particular bank, but my neighbor is having. And he started calling the name of the keeper of the neighbor. Who is he? He is Faiz Hussain, who is next shop, he is barber. Okay, so who is Faiz Hussain? I think we should erase this, okay, so that I can write. So Faiz Hussain, he is having the account in the Seth Gobind Ram bank and he is barber. This information who is giving? This information is given by Jugal Kishore. So what we can say, children, that the neighbor wants to save his friend. This is called true friendship. Whenever our friends are in problem, neighbors are in problem, what a good person will do, the good person will try to minimize or solve the problem. A good person will always try to minimize or solve the problem. So we will see what is happening. Faiz Hussain, have you heard the latest? Have you heard the latest news? Seth Gobind Ram bank is about to collapse. The bank is going to collapse. You had better take your money out while there is still time. So whenever collapse of bank is there, children, the peoples are advised to take out the money, so that after they can declare also that you cannot withdraw the money from the bank. Faiz Hussain, who was cutting the hair of an elderly gentleman. So that time he was working and he was barber, so he was cutting the hair of the elder person. He was looking like gentleman, so here it is written elderly gentleman. Was so startled, he was that much surprised by this news, that his hand shook and he nicked his customer's right ear. Nicked means giving a cut. So he has given a cut to his customer right ear by mistake. The customer yielded with pain and distress. The customer started crying because of pain, because someone was cutting the hair. Now that the same person started cutting the ear, so the person is started crying. Children, now my one question is there. Imagine if the Faiz Hussain is giving a big cut to the ear of the elderly gentleman who was getting the haircut, what could have happened? You can think the answer, okay? So pain because of the cut and distress because of the awful news he had just heard. So two things was there. One, pain was there. Why? Because of the cut. And second, this bad news also, it made all the people there unhappy. With one side of his neck still unsure. So one side of the neck was not cut, not trimmed, and then also he leaped out of his chair and sped across the road to a general store where there was telephone. Then also the person is running out and going where? He is going to the general store where one telephone was there. Means a person who is having the half haircut and half haircut is not done. He started running on the road. See, when this story was written, that time if any person is having half haircut done and half haircut not done, so it was big problem, children. It was the matter of shame. But nowadays we can say, what was matter of shame in the past, it is the matter of fashion in today, right? You can see so many children on the street, they are having half side completely trimmed, zero hair, and one side they are having, other side they are having long hairs, which I think is not good, okay? So up to your studies, you should not indulge in this type of things, children. You should be good, right? And completely focus on study, so that one day you can become a good person. Then So he dialed Seth Govind's Ram number. This man is running to the telephone and he started dialing Seth Govind's Ram number. The Seth was not at home. Where was he then? The Seth was holidaying in Kashmir. Oh, was that so? The elderly gentleman did not believe it. So when they called Seth, what they came to know? That the Seth was not at home. So now they started guessing that if he is not there, where he is. So he was holidaying in Kashmir, means he was enjoying his holidays in the Kashmir, and he is not knowing this thing. Seth Govind Ram is not knowing this thing, that his bank is bankrupt or what. But which type of image he is having? The man of a businessman who used to do careless dealing, careless business, unorganized manner working. So because of this, the peoples are believing that yes, maybe his bank can be bankrupt. He hurried back to the barber shop and told Faiz Hussain. So that man is coming back and informing Faiz Hussain, the bird has flown. So here the bird is compared to whom? Here the bird is compared to Seth Govind Ram, that he has taken all the people's money and he ran away from the state, and now he is enjoying in the Kashmir. Seth Govind Ram has left town. Definitely it means a collapse. I will have the rest of my haircut another time. And one more thing he is adding and saying that Seth Govind Ram, if he has ran away, no, this is a big collapse for the whole town, because maximum people have deposited the money in the Seth Govind Ram bank. And he is saying that next time I will get my complete hair cut, this is the time of problem. And then he dashed out of the shop. Dash out means in a very speed manner he is coming, making the beeline for his office and check book. So beeline means going very quickly, very directly for his checkbooks and office. Why everyone wanted to have the checkbook, children? Everyone now wanted to have the checkbook so that they can withdraw the money from the bank, because the rumor is there that the bank is now bankrupt. Okay. The news spread through the bazaar with the rapidity of a forest fire. So how the news spread? The news spread like a forest fire. How the fire used to spread very quickly. From the general store, it traveled to the tea shop. How it traveled? From general store. General store means from where we can buy the grocery, okay? Then from there the people are able to listen to the tea shop, circulated among the customers. Tea shop, people are drinking the tea, having the tea, and then so many customers are there, all are listening this. What is the latest news? The latest news is that Seth Govind Ram Bank is now bankrupt. The tailor, the fruit vendor, the jeweler and the beggar sitting on the pavement all started discussing about the same issue. Everyone started discussing about this issue only, that Seth Govind Ram Bank is now bankrupt. Not even this much, children, we can find something more interesting, that even the pan seller, the one who is selling pan, the tailor, the fruit vendor, the jeweler and the beggar, yes, beggar also, the one who is sitting on the pavement on the sides of the road, he is also knowing that Seth Govind Ram Bank is now collapsed. Okay, this much viral the news is becoming. Men stood in groups at street corners discussing the situation. So all the men standing in the group, they started discussing why this happened, how this happened, why this happened, okay. The small towns in the foothills seldom had a crisis. So all are saying now that the small towns in the foothill, so maybe one mountain is there, so in the foothill this small town is there, never have crisis, never they faced any problem. Why? Because they are never experiencing earthquake, tsunami, drought, flood. And so the imminent crash of the local bank set everyone talking and speculating and rushing about in a frenzy. So first time any big disaster happened in this town, so all started talking about this. Okay, everyone started talking about this. Now you see, speculating means guessing and discussing the causes and effects of the bank collapse without knowing any fact or detail. So all started guessing why this happened, how this happened. Okay, and they all started rushing in anxiety, tension. Everyone in the town seems to have got nervousness, tension. Okay, now paragraph 21. Some boasted of their far-sightedness, so talk with excessive price. So what happened? Some boosted their far-sightedness. Far-sightedness means the power of looking in future. Means some are saying, no, that oh God, we are lucky, we have not kept our money in this bank, we had withdrawn all the money from this bank, because we were knowing that this problem is going to happen. Or maybe someone is saying that no, I am very genius. Why? Because I never opened the account only in this bank. So that is only called, children, some boosted of their far-sightedness. Some boosted their far-sightedness, congratulating themselves on having already taken out their money. So congratulating themselves on having already taken out their money, or on never having put any it. Others speculated on the reasons for the crash. But others, what they started doing? They started finding out the reason, what the reason is there for this crash, putting it all down to Seth Govindsram pleasure loving ways. And all are saying one thing, that this bank collapsed only maybe because of Seth Govindsram leisure seeking hobbies. The Seth had fled the estate, means he has left the estate. One said, so all the people that time, children, what happened? They all started speaking that the Seth has left the estate only. Someone is saying no, the Seth has left the country only. Someone is saying no, the Seth is hiding in the bank only. Okay, hiding in the bank or hiding. Other insisted that he was hiding somewhere in town. So in the town only somewhere he is hiding. Then someone who had a relative working as a clerk in the bank decided to call him and get the facts. So someone is talking in a correct manner and saying that we can call to the bank and we can ask that what the fact is. I don't know anything about it, said the clerk. So what the clerk said? Clerk said that I don't know anything about it, except that half the town is here trying to take their money out. Everyone seems to have gone mad. So the clerk is giving a very good reply, children, that I don't know what happened, right? But half of the town is present in front of my bank, and all wanted to take out their money. I think all have become mad today. Why they all wanted to take out money? Because Mrs. Bhushan has spread the rumor. What was the rumor? That Seth Govindsram Bank is now bankrupt. They are not having money. They are not paying to the employees for many months. Right? So half of the town gathered in front of the bank. How interesting the story is, and we can see that one rumor can cause how much destruction to the society. There is rumor that none of you has been paid. So another question the man is asking, that there is rumor that none of you have been paid. Well, the clerks have their salaries. You see what the information now this clerk is giving is important. The clerks have had their salaries. We could not be working otherwise. He is saying that we all the staffs are getting our salary. Otherwise, we would not be working. It may be that some of the part-time workers are getting paid late. So maybe because some part-time workers are getting paid late. Right? Part-time worker means generally used to be children who is coming on the particular time, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour they are doing the work, then they are going. So part-time worker, okay, like the sweeper, cleaner. So part-time worker are getting paid late. And Nathu, who was he? He was the part-time worker. And they are not getting a payment late because the shortage of money. They are getting the payment late because one clerk is on leave who used to maintain the record of their payment. He is on sick leave. And you don't expect me to work on his behalf. And he puts the telephone down. So this was the real story why Nathu was not getting the salary. Because the clerk who was making the salary for all the part-time workers, he was on sick leave. So Nathu was not able to get the salary. Everyone in the bank, they were getting the salary, like staff and manager and everyone. Okay. Page number 4. Children, can you see one bank is there? How I can say that is bank? Because on the picture it is written B-A-N-K, bank. And one person is here who is having the suit, coat, tie, glasses also, and he is looking like the bank manager. And all the people are pointing the finger in front of him, like in a very angry manner. So we all can see that this Faz Hussain, who was doing the haircut of that man, he is also running. You can see the towel and shaving cream is on his face, right? One school going child is here who is going to school but looking towards the bank, that what happened. One person, you can see that he is pouring the tea, but the tea is not falling in the teapot, okay, in the cup, it is falling on the ground. So what we can understand, that everyone is angry and interested to know about Seth Govind's Ram Bank. So by afternoon, the bank had gone through all its ready money. So what happened? By afternoon, bank had gone through all its ready money. How much money bank was having? No, that all money was withdrawn by the peoples. See, bank is also having some limit, no children. If all the peoples will gather and say that we want all our money back, then the bank will say that yes, we are ready to return. All your money is yours only. But what you have to do? You have to wait. What you have to do? You have to wait 1 day or 2 days, or they can ask for some other banks, right? So like this they are speaking. Are you able to understand, children? But here the situation is worst, because the peoples are thinking that the bank is now bankrupt. So, and the harassed bank manager, how the bank manager was looking? The bank manager was looking very much harassed, tired and anxious. Emergency funds could only be obtained from one of the government banks. And from where the emergency funds they can call, they can ask from the government banks. And now it was nearly closing time. The clerks shut down their counter, but people gathered outside on the steps of the bank shouting, "We want our money, give it us today or we will break in." Bank manager is saying that today, now we are not having cash, tomorrow you come, we will give the cash tomorrow. And they are closing the counter because now maybe it is 5 o'clock, so they are closing. But the people are standing there and they are shouting, right? What they are saying? No, we want our money now only. Give it today only. Fetch Seth Govind Ram, we know he is hiding in the vault. And all are shouting that that Seth Govindram is hiding in the locker of the bank only. So bring him forcefully. Okay, so see how the peoples are very much angry. They have not done any research also what the exact matter was. Right? Mischief makers who did not have a paisa in the bank. Some peoples were also their children who were not having a single rupee in the bank, but they were the part of the crowd. Joined the crowd. The manager stood at the door and tried to calm his angry customer. So in the picture also we can see that the manager is trying to calm the angry customers. He declared that the bank had plenty of money. So what he is saying, that don't worry, the bank is having plenty of money, that they could withdraw all they wanted the next morning. So how much money you are having, you can withdraw, but when you can withdraw, next morning you can withdraw the money. But the peoples are shouting and they are saying, we want it now. Chanted the people. So what is the meaning of chanted the people? Chanting means generally we used to chant the God's name. Chanting means repeating any word or sentence again and again. That is called chanting. Repeating any word or sentence again and again is called chanting. So all the people, they started chanting that we want our money now itself. Okay. So thank you children, and we will see now in the next class.